So recently I started my clothing brand Full Eclipse, and instead of getting regular business cards, I wanted to get NFC business cards so I could just tap it to the customer's phone. Saw them all over Instagram. The price ranges went from $5.99 for just like the company's logo with a QR code. Then if you wanted a custom card was like $30. Looking at other companies, $30 was the lowest of the price range for a custom card. Went all the way past $100, and I figured there had to be a better way to do it. So looked it up on Amazon. You could buy a 10-pack of blank NFCs for like $8. So it had to be the machine, right? Like the machine's the expensive part to program them. No, turns out you could just download an app on your phone and program it yourself. So that's exactly what I did, and I'm going to give you guys a full tutorial on how I did it. The first thing you're going to want to do is go on Amazon and look up NFC blank card. Now you'll see a ton of options, but this is the one that I chose. As you can see, pack of 10 blank cards for $8.99. They have a bit of color options. There's like blue, red, white. White is the cheapest. Yellow $8.99. If you want like the holographic one, it's $16.99. Next thing you're going to want to do is sign up for a Linktree or Beacons, whatever kind of platform you can just share all your links to. Then once you have one of those, you're going to go over to your account. With Linktree, at least, all you have to do is share my Linktree QR code. You can either download the PNG or SVG. I'm going to recommend the SVG just because it's higher quality, but up to you. And this step in particular, I'll explain here in a second. So this next step is if you want to make a custom card. I would highly recommend this because sometimes the NFC won't work, especially with like older phones. So you want to be able to have that QR code to scan just in case it doesn't work. So if you want to do this free, you can use something like Kittle or Canva. Because I'm a digital designer, I do have a paid program, so I'm going to use that, which is Affinity Designer. That's my program of choice. And you can do something simple like this, where it's just the logo and the QR code, but I wanted something that was the front and the back. So I did this as the front and this as the back design. So I made sure my canvas was 3 inches by 3 inches. This is important for the next step, and also to make sure that it's going to fit the business card. So you want to make sure that it stays within those dimensions. I think the business card is like 3.25 inches by like 2 inches. So just make sure it fits within that canvas size. Then once you have your design made up, you're gonna wanna Google something like custom sticker sample pack. There's a ton of websites on it, but the one I used is Sticker Mule. And as you can see, you can get a 10-pack of stickers for just $1. After tax, $1.08. And if you wanna do 2 stickers, you are gonna have to order from like a different site or use somebody else's phone number in order to order, because Sticker Mule will only allow you to do it once. And then if you want to get like a second pack, it's going to be $9. So I would recommend just going to another site and doing that, or like I said, just using somebody else's phone number to verify your account, and then you can just order from them twice. And then if you have iPhone or Android, just look up NFC Writer. The one I used is this NFC 21 Tools. It's completely free, no in-app purchases, so you don't have to worry about any of that. So you open up the app, you go to tag types, URL. For me personally, because I used Linktree, I just type in my Linktree URL, which I have here. Then you go to write to NFC, grab one of your NFC blanks, just tap it, and we're done. As you can see, if I tap the card, boom, opens up my Linktree. Then once your stickers come in, just peel it off and place it as best as you can. And there we go.
fully custom NFC card. And just to show you guys the QR code, make sure that works. Boom, cool. So we're all good. And yeah, I just got a 10-pack of custom NFC cards for $11.89 after tax, which is insane.